Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. If you're just joining this channel, this is where you can learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Today is May 10th. On this day in 1880, an F4 tornado took a 20-mile path through the Illinois counties of Scott and Morgan. The tornado did the most damage south of Pisgah. 7 people were killed, 18 others were injured, 50 head of livestock were killed, and 30 buildings were demolished. On this day in 1905, one of the worst natural disasters to hit the state of Oklahoma and the second deadliest tornado in Oklahoma state history occurred when a powerful F5 tornado struck the town of Snyder in Kiowa County. The tornado killed 97 people and injured at least 150 others. This was part of a multi-day tornado outbreak that affected several Midwestern states, including Kansas, Oklahoma, and Missouri. Before the Snyder tornado, a separate tornado developed at 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time near Carmel in Greer County, an hour northwest of Wichita Falls, Texas. This one caused at least 10 deaths and destroyed or extensively damaged numerous homes, farmsteads, and a schoolhouse. This Snyder tornado struck around 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time and completely demolished structures in the western and northern part of the town and swept away some homes. The tornado leveled 100 homes and severely damaged 150 others. Another tornado from a different supercell caused 2 deaths in Elk City in Beckham County, Oklahoma, and caused 3 more in Quinlan, around 2 hours northeast of Snyder. On this day in 1933, every home in Beatty Swamps near Livingston, Tennessee was destroyed by an F4 tornado. Much of the community was swept clean, and 35 people there were killed. Nearly everyone in town was either killed or injured. On this day in 1966, a record cold temperature for the state of Illinois was set when the low that morning dropped to 21 degrees in Bloomington, Normal, and Aurora. On this day in 1987, 17 cities across the north central and western United States set record high temperatures for the date. The hottest city was Jamestown, North Dakota, where the high temperature reached a record high of 96 degrees. Along the central Gulf Coast, thunderstorms flooded Lillian, Alabama with 14.5 inches of rain and Perdido Key, Florida with 12.8 inches of rain. On this day in 1990, a snowstorm produced heavy snow in upper Michigan and eastern Wisconsin. Top accumulation totals were 12 inches in Marquette, Michigan, and 8 inches in Muskego, Wisconsin, and Hartford, Wisconsin. The heavy wet snow and wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour destroyed or damaged thousands of trees, downed numerous power lines, and caused more than $4,000,1990 United States dollars in damage, which in 2025 United States dollars would equate to over $9.78 million. On this day in 2008, a large and violent EF4 tornado moved through eastern Oklahoma and western Missouri and struck the Oklahoma communities of Pitcher, Quapaw, and the Missouri communities of Racine and Granby. The tornado injured 350 people and killed 21. The tornado first touched down near Chatopa, Kansas, before it rapidly intensified to an EF4 and hit Pitcher so hard that it became an unincorporated community. In Pitcher, wooden buildings collapsed, several cars were thrown while the tornado tracked through the southeast portions of the town. The tornado then passed to the north of Quapaw, which avoided a direct hit. The tornado then entered Missouri and hit Racine and caused fatalities in mobile homes and other poorly built structures. The tornado then crossed Route 59 and later dissipated. That will close up this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because whenever there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video. Please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video. If you're just joining this channel, please check out all the other videos that have been posted on this channel. And please check out my Patreon at patreon.com/c/thisdayinweather for more content.